the national anthem.
Our elders must put their eyes down on ground to advise our young men and women, to counsel them, encourage them, and let them see the need for commitment to our nationhood. We intend to do more as a government. We will do more. We are also opening up the rural areas starting this dry season. We are going to construct more roads in the rural areas and other critical infrastructure. We provide more schools, more primary schools and secondary schools, renovate and rehabilitate the existing ones, and make life more bearable for our people at the rural areas. The over 46 roads and other infrastructure we have provided already are geared towards ensuring that our people have a new lease of life. In a few days, I will reconstitute and inaugurate development centers across the state. These development centers will have the president of town unions, automatic members of those development centers. This is part of our effort to take governance closer to the people. Also, in the next few weeks, my government will be 2 years. I will use the opportunity in a widely organized stakeholders meeting to give you a detailed account of how we have served you within the period. But be assured that no matter the circumstances, I will continue to do my best to serve you faithfully and honestly, and to ensure that the enabling environment, which includes security of lives and properties, will be guaranteed in Imo State. I thank all of you for graciously accepting to serve as members of Imo Elders Council. It is a sacrifice for our state. I will do all I can to ensure you do not regret your decision to serve our dear state in this reverend capacity. It is therefore my pleasure at this time to formally inaugurate the council to the glory of God.
Your Excellency, on behalf of members of Imo State Elders Council, I want to express our gratitude to Your Excellency for finding us worthy to serve Imo State. The fact that Your Excellency considered us worthy from among millions of other well-meaning Imo people to serve in the council is a testimony of the confidence you have in us as the governor of Imo State. With our inauguration today, I can assure Your Excellency that the council will hit the ground running. We shall strive to build bridges of harmony, unity, reconciliation in the state. To achieve this, the council will regularly interface with all stakeholders in the state in the Imo project to make sure that Imo becomes heaven of peace for the sake of our social, economic, and political growth and development. Furthermore, considering Your Excellency APE's leadership position in Igbo land, we will endeavor to extend the same message and philosophy to the entire Southeast zone. Our appointment, therefore, is a call to service. I am certain that with the quality and pedigree of members of the Council, we cannot afford to fail Your Excellency and the good people of Imo State. Once again, on behalf of the noble members of the Council, I thank Your Excellency for your foresight and wisdom in not only establishing this Council, but also in appointing people of proven integrity and capacity from various fields of human endeavor as members of the Council. By God's grace, we shall justify the confidence Your Excellency reposed in us to the glory of God. May God bless Your Excellency and the good people of Imo State. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you, Your Majesty. On that note, Your Excellency, considering the
on YouTube, please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.